I am a wine sommelier and a wine consultant. I work out of London and India. I work with private clients in wine investments, cellar building, and yes. So I came to Pro Wine because I attend a lot of the international expos, and I'd heard so much about Pro Wine Mumbai. So I decided that to make the visit from London and come and attend this wonderful exhibition.
So you came all the way from London for
Yes,
this?
I was coming to India anyways, but it coincided perfectly, so I got to be here for it.
Lovely. Have you been to any other Pro Wines, by the way?
I haven't been for Pro Wine, I've been for Vinexpo Paris. I go every year for that.
Okay.
But I have not been for Pro Wine Germany yet.
Okay. You can cut that competitor talking.
Yeah, I was like, I know, I was like, why do you want to know?
I'm just kidding. We might not actually cut that. It's good you being honest out here. But what made you come to Pro Wine, by the way? Like, what's that motivation?
I honestly wanted to see what is going on in the India wine scene. It's growing rapidly. There's so many exciting new producers that are entering our country. Importers are doing such a phenomenal job. So I really just wanted to come and see what is going on in India and, be part of the India wine story.
Lovely. And right now, what is your feedback? Are importers importing? Are wine sellers selling?
I don't know if wines are selling, but I do know importers are importing, and I think they're doing a phenomenal curation of wine. Wine Park, Asprey, Cellar 33 has some incredible wines. Across the board, all these guys are getting in big names and some really good curation. So they're wines that are really worth tasting and now worth drinking at home too.
Absolutely. Now, personal question. What is your poison? What do you love to have?
In wine?
Anything. Any kind of liquor, alcohol.
My poison is still wine.
Still wine?
Yes, and red wine.
Red wine and still wine. Okay.
Yes.
And now I'm going to put you on the spot, right? Which is your favorite product? Which is your favorite brand, if I have to ask you that?
Like as a producer?
Not as a producer, more like a consumer. What do you love to have? Like, what's your go-to drink?
I actually taste so much wine that I don't have a favorite wine. I actually don't. There's not one wine that I love more than the other.
That's a very diplomatic answer.
It's actually the truth. When you taste hundreds of wines on a daily basis, it kind of skews. But I do have favorite regions. I am very partial to Bordeaux. I'm very partial to Burgundy, and I'm very partial to Tuscany.
Okay. So we've got like a top 3-4 options out there already.
Yeah.
And I have to ask you how far your experience has been at Pro Wines. Are you enjoying it?
I think,
it?
yes, it's amazing. I, in fact, got some consumers with me today. I got my brother and some friends along to taste some wine, and I think they've done a phenomenal job. It's really well organized. It's very systematic. They've had some great master classes too. I've attended a few personally. The India Wine Awards was great. So I think, they've really, really done a very impressive job from an international standpoint.
So it's about 4:10 on clock, right? Should I expect your brothers and your consumers to be drunk after this?
I think they will be, and I will still be standing sober.
So one person is at least going to drive responsibly.
Yes,
to check
absolutely.
on that. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thanks a lot.
thank you.